There's actually a problem. Vlog handover ako. Grabe yung support nila as in. With my production team. Hey loves, yes, you're here to my channel. So for today's video, it will be another vlog. At yes po, 4 na po yung to-edit ko na vlog. Kasama to including this vlog. 4 na siya. And ang hirap din talaga na ganado kang mag-vlog pero hindi ka ganado mag-edit. Pero busy din kasi talaga sa school tapos sa debut. So, medyo acceptable naman siguro yan. Pero, ayun guys, samahan nyo ako mag-vlog for today's video. Samahan nyo ako mag-vlog. Samahan nyo ako through this vlog na gumawa na naman ng another pre-debut. This time naman, ang kasama ko is my best friends. And, ayun, grabe yung support nila. As in, grabe talaga. Mamaya makikita niyo kung paano nila ako sasupportahan. Kaya, I really want to record it kahit na ang dami kong pending na vlogs. Pero yun guys, I hope that you will join along as I will take you along. Tama ba yung grammar? Pero basta yun. Yeah, I think without any further ado, let's start with the vlog. So guys, kung may nakikita man kayong gown sa likod ko, huwag yun ang pansinin. Pero that will be part of my 18th birthday. Ayan, nagiging part yan ng aking debut. So, yan yung pinakahuli kong isusuot. Pero, wag muna tayo mag-focus doon. Kasi, mas mag-focus tayo ngayon. Kasi, actually, ang dami kong kailangan gawin today. Ang daming gagawin namin for today. And, ayun, samahan nyo kung gawin yun. Actually, hindi ako talaga nag-makeup kasi doon ako mismo mag-makeup. Nag-curl lang ako, nag-lip tint ng very light, tapos nag-lip gloss, ay nag-lip balm. Ayun guys, ngayon, iiwan ko kasi muna tong phone ko kasi nag-charge pa siya. So, hindi ko na kayo masasama to join me along sa pagbili ng mga kailangan ko pang other stuff na bibilin. So, ayun, kaya iwan ko muna kayo dito and babalikan ko na lang kayo pag nakabalik na ako. Actually, it's 9:41 in the morning and I actually need to leave here by 10 pero I don't think I can. Pero sinabi ko kay Aina na I will try my best na makarating doon ng 11 kasi 45 minutes to 1 hour. 1 hour na yung pinaka-late kapag papunta ko dun sa condo nila or dun sa school namin. So, ayun. Kaya ngayon, kailangan ko nang umalis at maghanap ng mga kailangan ko pa para makaalis na at dumiretso na dun. Pero, ayun guys, yeah, I will be right back to you. Hey loves, so I'm back na sa bahay. So, ngayon, medyo nagpapahinga lang ako. I'm sorry sa pukpok na naririnig nyo man kung naririnig nyo man yun kasi rene-renovate yung kitchen namin sa taas. Pero anyways, ngayon medyo nagpapahinga lang ako tapos aalis na din ako. Pupunta na ako kay Aina. Nabili ko naman yung kailangan kong galing. Nabili ko naman yung mga kailangan kong bilhin. Thank God. Pero sana tama yun and sana mag-work yun kasi glue yun and kinailangan ko pang bumili ng nails para makabili ng glue for my nails. Medyo magpapahinga lang taga ako ng very slight tapos nag-charge din pa kasi ako. Tapos ayun, I'll go na. Hi guys! We're here na and I'm with my production team. So here's Aina, here's Josh. Wow! So yeah, dumating na ako kanina pa, diba? Nakakain na ako lahat.
She's lying.
So, ayun na po. For Lesha daw po. Medyo feeler ka talaga dun. Hindi kasi parang nagpa-cute ka nung hinarap ko yun. Joke lang. Thank you. Thank you sa libre.
Yeah,
We're here na at their condo and we will have our nails and see you in our time lapse. Hi guys, first of all, I'm so sorry for the noise, but ngayon, we're done with the first look. We're done with the first fit, and yeah, so ngayon, we're just gonna, we need to go up stairs kasi we need to change, and dun na kami magpipicture for the second outfit sa NC Aina. Pero ayun guys, I'll just update you from time to time. Singit naman ng vlog yung mga friend ko. So there is actually a problem, pero it is actually solved naman na. So, ayun, I'll get back to you later. Hi guys, right now we're here now. We're gonna eat. Hi guys. So ngayon, we're done eating na and we'll go resume our photo shoot.
we got the key.
And no, I didn't tell them though.
So guys, na-lock up talaga kami.
Yeah.
Kaya ang tagal. Na-lock kami.
So that's the problem that I was saying, but I didn't said na. I didn't said na ano na. I didn't
na-lock up
say.
tayo.
I'm sorry.
Hi guys! Vlog handover ako kasi Lesha's in a photo shoot right now. I'm currently in the bathroom. I'm actually lights production na. We're in the production. We're in the projector and lights scene. And I'll show you guys right now. It's like Lesha has no time to vlog, so I'll vlog for her. Yay! Such a good friend kasi. So let's see what's happening. Okay. Okay, let's go. Yeah, that's happening right now. So yeah. So we'll just get back with you guys later kasi I know Lesha couldn't vlog properly. But yeah, I mean Lights Productions. We're vlogging for Lesh. So this is our director, but yeah. So we have to turn off the lights now, guys. Yeah, but I have to go. Bye, guys.
Hi guys. So ngayon, it's so late and I actually have classes pa for tomorrow. So, by the way, I'm so sorry, hindi ko na kayo ganun na-update. Very busy talaga for today. And like, onti lang yung mga clips na nagawa for today. Pero, that's okay. But yeah, this is the nails that Aina did for me. So, this is just acrylic nails, tapos tinagay lang siya. Ay, acrylic nails, hindi basta nails lang yan, tapos gel polish niya, so mas natural siyang tignan. And then, this one, ito medyo feel, kasi parang matte siya. Kasi kaya siya nagmat. Basta parang na-press siya ng kamay, ganun. Like, hindi siya sobrang na-dry. So, ayun. Kaya, ayun. Pero, it's okay. It's gonna work because it's still nice and hindi naman nila mahahalata yan. So, yeah. I'm gonna have my nails on going to school for tomorrow. But, yeah, that will be the vlog for today. I hope you did enjoy and I hope na ma-edit ko na din talaga to. And yun na guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for staying until the end. Thank you for joining along with me for today's video, for today's vlog. Thank you for Aina. Sobrang thankful ko sa production team ko. So I wanna special mention them. Thank you Aina. Thank you Aya. Thank you Brie. And thank you Josh for helping me for today. Actually, si Aina, siya yung pinakamadaming ginawa. As in, she did my nails, she did my makeup, she did photography, nag-videography din siya, lahat na ginawa niya talaga para sa akin. Kaya I'm so blessed to have them. And then, Aya, si Aya naman, yung ginawa ni Aya is nag-videographer, nag-director, photographer, nag-style ng damit ko. Siya yung nagpasa ng mga files and some stuff. Tapos, si Brie naman, siya yung nag-videographer and siya yung nag-edit ng video ko for my save the date. So, yun, I'm really happy na makakapunta sila Aina and Aya. Kasi akala ko din talaga hindi sila makakapunta. I'm really happy na they'll go because they are really a big part of my debut. Promise, they're really a big part kasi promise, like, ang dami nilang ginawa for me and I'm really thankful and blessed for them and I wanna thank them. So, yun. And then, si Josh naman, siya yung may-ari ng camera, yung pinaka-main camera na ginamit namin. And by the way, the camera na pang video is kay Aya naman yung galing. So, ayun. Tapos, yung lights din for the second photo shoot is kay Josh naman. Like, PA ko din yun, nagtaga-abot and stuff. So, yeah, they are really a big part of this day and I really wanna record this and I really wanna post this for memories and for keeps talaga. So, ayun lang guys, I hope you did enjoy for today's video and just a reminder that you are blessed no matter what and always be yourself and always be positive. Bye guys, I love you all. Take care always.